Hello, this is Alex Kazmark for thefxedge.com, and this is your free daily Forex video for Thursday, November 19th, 2009. Quick reminder before I begin, the purpose of this free daily video is education and not an alert service. I'm not going to make any trade recommendations, but what I am going to do is point out levels of support and resistance for the next 12 to 24 hours. Please keep in mind that trading with leverage is very risky, so please don't trade any real money until you've established a proven track record of success on a demo account. Trading conditions are always changing, so make sure to watch tomorrow's video to stay updated. Well, not much of a summary considering the dollar hasn't been able to move in either direction. Still consolidating in between specific ranges on the major. Certain signs point to a worse dollar, other signs point to a better dollar. Very tough to read the market these days. We are within specific ranges, and we hope to break out of these ranges over the next few sessions. We're going to take a look at the euro dollar, currently trading at 149.30. First level of support is going to be found at the 148.20 level. A couple of days ago, we reached the 148 level. That's going to be our second level of support for the euro. 147.30 and 146.80 are third and fourth levels of support for the euro. And finally, we're going to be looking for support at 145.80. First level of resistance is going to be found at 150.20. Above that, we'll be looking for 150.60. And further above that is going to be quite open. Break above 150.50 may expose a much further level of strength in the euro, and we're going to wait until we breach that 150.50 level to find out what that level of resistance may be. Pound dollar currently trading at 167 even. That's actually right at our first level of support for the euro, for the pound, excuse me. Second level of support for the pound is going to be at 166.40. Which is right at that level, right there, going back to mid-end of October. Below that, we're going to look for 165.20, 162.40 follows, along with 161.22. Moving averages are still pointing higher. However, as you can see, breaking past this last pivot high, we haven't seen much of a continuation. So be very careful trading these pairs. If we take a look at the Fibonacci level, we can see that we've retraced to the 50% level from this last pivot low to the recent pivot high, from the 165.20 level to the 168.80 level. Now, we could see a continuation off either the 50% retracement level or the 61.8% retracement level. We'll have to see what happens over the next few days. And let me get rid of that right now. So it's very tough to find a direction. Moving on to dollar yen, currently trading at 89.14. We continue to set lower lows, a bit of a retracement up to the last area of resistance, which used to be the area of support, but now turning into resistance at the 89.50 level. Currently trading at 89.14. First level of support will be at 88.80. Below that, we'll be looking for 88.20. And below that, we'll be looking for 87.20. Excuse me, this needs to go a little bit lower. Here we go, 87.20. First level of resistance is going to be at the 89.50 level. Above that, we'll be looking for 90.80, 91.50, 92, and 92.30 is going to be our fifth level of resistance for the next 12 to 24 hours. Dollar Swissy currently trading at 101.17. First level of support will be at 100.50. Below that, we'll be looking for at 100.30. Below that, we'll be looking at the parity level, 1 even. And finally, below that, we're going to be looking for 99.11. Excuse the charts for today. Excuse the look of the graph. We had a few technical difficulties and we are working off the laptop today, so excuse the charts. If you'd like a further detailed analysis, please join us in the members section. Until tomorrow, this has been Alex Kaczmarek with the FXEdge.com with the daily free Forex analysis video.